The Upanishads have certain cryptic statements called mahāvākyas, great statements you can say, which directly lead to this level of discovery, that is self-knowledge, if they are heard from the lips of a man of realization, these mahāvākyas. So, they are actually scattered in the Vedas, in the Upanishads. I will just show you these mahāvākyas here. Prajnanam Brahman, it actually means prajna, your awareness is in its purest form, it is Brahman, pure consciousness. This comes in the Aitareya Upanishad of the Rig Veda. The next mahāvākya is Ayam Atma Brahma. This self, Atman, is verily Brahman. This comes in the Mandukya Upanishad of the Atharva Veda. Tat Tvam Asi, thou art that. This comes in the Chandogya Upanishad of the Samaveda. And Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahman, comes in the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad of the Yajurveda. So, in the four Vedas you have these four mahāvākyas. These are statements which can directly lead to, because if you actually see the words there, Prajna, Brahman, Atman, if you have awakened to the truth about these, a word is a symbol referring to something, isn't it? Indicative of some particular object of experience. If that is already awakened, it will lead directly to the truth about Brahman. So, these are statements which directly lead to the truth. It is called Shabda Aparoksha. Shabda used for Aparoksha Jnana, Aparoksha Anubhuti. And this is another important method used by Vedanta for getting self-knowledge. So, like this, there are a number of methods through which the Vedic rishis arrived at self-discovery. In the Shvetashvatara Upanishad, there is this wonderful declaration by a rishi telling you about his realization. I will just give you that and conclude today's session. He says, look how powerful the words are. The rishi is saying, Shrunvantu Vishve Amritasya Putra Aye Dhamani Divyani Tastu Vedahametam Purusham Mahantam Aditya Varnam Tamasa Parastat Tameva Viditva Atimrityumeti Nanya Pantha Vidyate Ayanaya Uttishtata Jagrata Prapya Varan Nibodhata, which means to say, Shrunvantu Vishve, oh listen, all ye children of immortal bliss, Amritasya Putra. He doesn't call us sinners, doesn't call us confused minds. He says, you are children of immortal bliss. This expression even Vivekananda used in the US when he was lecturing there. Children of immortal bliss, even those who are in the higher spheres. Aye dhamani divyani tastu vedahametam purusham mahantam. The rishi is saying, I have known this great one, this purusham mahantam, this great purusha, aditya varnam, this luminous being, tamasa parastat, beyond all darkness, tameva viditva atimrityumeti. This is the way to get over death, to overcome death, to get over our mortality. Nanya pantha vidyate ayanaya. There is no other way other than knowing the truth about your true being. That is why uttishtata jagrata prapya varan nibodhata. That is why stand up, awaken yourself to this knowledge and get the supreme blessing of life. Vivekananda made it into arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. है ना, ये सुना है ना विवेकानंद का, derived directly from the Upanishads. Please see, this level of knowledge and discovery is available to you if you would strive for it.